Hello everyone, I am Francesco Utel from the Engicam support team. In this webinar, I will make an introduction of the Android BSP provided by Engicam to the customers that wants to run on the Engicam board Android operative system. It will be briefly shown how to download and compile the BSP and how to create an application with Android Studio. Android is the operative system for mobile devices developed by Google and based on kernel Linux. As you can see from this block diagram, on the lowest level there is the Linux kernel with a secure element based on TEE, the Trust Execution Environment. One level above, there is the hardware abstraction layer, where standard interfaces for hardware providers are defined, making Android independent from lower level devices. Then there are the native libraries written in C and C++ and used by Android developers through the NDK. At the same level, we have the Android runtime that compile and execute the application. One step higher, there is the framework, which contains all the libraries to build an Android app, and final, the higher level with the applications available to the user on the device. The system of module chosen for this application is our i-Core MX8M Mini, with an NXP processor with up to 4 Cortex-A53 and a Cortex-M4 for real-time. All the specifications about this hardware, as for all the other Engicam system module and board, can be found on the Engicam website. The board is a C.TOUCH 2.0. This is a very compact board where, despite the small size, exhibits most of the peripheral that could be handled by the processor. The display used in the demo is a 10-inch capacitive touchscreen with the resolution 1280x800, driven by converter from MIPI DSI to LVDS on the module. The BSP is thought to allow to transfer all the operative system directly into the module memory in order to let the customer immediately start to develop. However, the customer can perform a customization to create his own Android distribution. To do that, one should download the Android software manual from our website and follow the procedure for the download of the BSP and the compilation. Here you can see the very few commands needed for downloading and build Android with our BSP. Once Android is compiled, the entire operative system can be flashed on the target using the fastboot command. These are some release notes of the Android BSP package. I will now show you a demo video with a simple application compiled with Android Studio and deployed on the system of module. Android Studio is the official IDE for Android application development, optimized to make the process of creating high-quality application fast for any Android device. So we are now opening Android Studio and we are starting a new project. Of course, we have several templates depending on the application that we want to develop and depending on the final device. It can be a phone or tablet, a TV, or Internet of Things, for example. We will now open an empty activity, choosing as SDK the API28. So this is basically the application, how it looks like. So on the .xml, there are the graphical object of our application. In this case, we have a rectangle with written hello world inside it. Now let's assume that we want to create a button that when pushed, the hello world text changes. So we add the object. And as you can see in the main activity.java, there will be defined the object of the button and what happened when it's clicked, exploiting the libraries of Android Studio. And we will now see what is happening after the deploy. With a USB OTG cable, we are able to deploy our application straight on the module, and the application is now running. We have the hello world text, and when we push the button, the text changes. So I hope that this very simple application gives you the idea of how it is actually easy to start developing with the Android BSP provided by Engicam. So thanks for watching, and for any question, please send an email to support@engicam.com.